y'all, welcome to our channel. We've got a new video for you today. I'm back in the kitchen trying a new recipe. I know a lot of y'all are pumpkin fans, and even though we're not huge pumpkin fans around here, there's one thing I am, is a chocoholic. So when I got an email from Kroger of all places for a healthier version of a chocolate pumpkin muffin, I decided I would get in the kitchen and try it out and share it with you guys. So come along with us as we cook this new recipe and see what we thought. The recipe will be linked below, and if you're new, by the way, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you'll hit that red subscribe button. And for everybody else, thanks for the support and like and comment. We love those thumbs up. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Today we are trying a new recipe for a healthier version of a pumpkin chocolate chip muffin. I'm not a huge pumpkin fan, but I do understand there's a lot of health benefits in pumpkin, and I'm a huge chocoholic, so I will eat most anything in chocolate. This is a recipe that I was emailed from my Kroger grocery store. We're gonna give it a try. If it works, I will have a link to the recipe typed up with all the measurements below, but the ingredients you'll need are whole wheat pastry flour, cocoa powder, a little bit of sugar, baking powder and soda, some salt, a can of pure pumpkin puree, some almond milk instead of dairy milk, 1 egg, so it's not gluten-free or vegan, but hopefully it's a healthier version, some cinnamon, vanilla, a little bit of yogurt, and then we're gonna add some chocolate chips to it. So let's mix up these muffins and see how they taste. To a large mixing bowl, we're gonna add 1½ cups of whole wheat pastry flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa, and 2/3 cup of sugar. Then we add 1/2 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Combine the dry ingredients and then set that bowl aside and get a smaller bowl. We will add 1 15-ounce can of pureed pure pumpkin, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of almond milk, and our beaten egg, then 3/4 cup of plain non-fat yogurt. I just mixed the wet ingredients with a spoon, then I took the dry ingredients, made a well in the center, added the wet ingredients, combined them thoroughly, then folded in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, although I might have fudged and added a little extra because I do love chocolate. Spray or line your muffin tins. The original recipe called for full size, but I used minis. I'm going to put the muffins in a preheated 350-degree oven. The original recipe called for making 12 full-size muffins, but I'm making minis, so I'm going to start mine off at about 15 or 16 minutes and check them. The full-size muffins, the recipe says to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I had batter left from making the 2 dozen minis, so I was able to get 6 full-size muffins too. Be sure to check them with a toothpick because every oven is different. Cool the muffins in the tins and then move them to a wire rack. Muffins are out of the oven. We let them cool in the muffin tins for a couple minutes, and then we're going to let them cool completely on a wire rack. We will leave a comment with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook Y'all. I hope if you like recipe videos, grocery hauls, meal plans, things like that, you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. We'll see you in the next video. This new recipe for a chocolate pumpkin muffin turned out really well. The plain ones, as the recipe was written, my husband said was a little bland and tasted a little too healthy. So I brushed the rest of them with melted butter while they were still warm and sprinkled them with turbinado sugar. So we've got about 2/3 of them not quite so healthy and the rest of them healthy, and hopefully everyone that we share them with will enjoy them. So that's our update. Thanks for stopping by our channel.